If you've been hesitant to buy, I get it. The real estate market is crazy right now. But I promise you, your dream of home ownership or of selling your home for top dollar is not gone. Today, I'm here to give you an insider look at the Sacramento housing market over the last 30 days, straight from the trenches, so that you can be better prepared for your real estate journey. First, the number of homes for sale this last month was down by more than 33% from last year. This isn't necessarily a bad thing though, because remember, the housing market for the last couple of years hasn't quite been normal. What this does mean is while the data is trending downward, there's no need to panic just yet, as it could just be that things are finally getting back to how they were. Next, the average price of a home in Sacramento has decreased by over 6% from last year, but is still up over 2% from last month. With the average home selling for 562 last month, that's definitely great news for buyers, because it means that prices are slowly starting to become more reasonable. But sellers may want to reconsider their asking price if they want to get top dollar or even avoid their homes from sitting for way too long. Finally, the ratio of sold price to original list price. Well, the good news is that the ratio stayed almost unchanged. The sold price versus original list price reveals the average amount that sellers are agreeing to come down from their original list price. The lower the ratio is below 100%, the more of a buyer's market exists. The ratio at above 100% indicates more of a seller's market. This month, the sold price versus original list price is at 95%. While this data shows us that the market is still fluctuating and that buyers should be aware of their current market conditions while considering purchasing, and sellers need to be aware that this is not 2020 anymore and home prices are no longer a non-negotiable. If you want to sell, be ready to sit down at that table and figure out what it's going to take. Now let's talk about the giant pink elephant in the room. According to Forbes, the average mortgage rate for a 30-year fixed is 7.14%. Now that's a climb from 3.22% in early 2022. The average cost of a 15-year fixed mortgage has also surged to 6.24%, compared to 2.43% in January 2022. And just as recently as this week, citing a recent surge in job growth and inflation, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell told Congress that the central bank will likely raise its key interest rates higher than anticipated and could resume larger hikes after slowing the pace in recent months. The bottom line is this: if you need or you're wanting to buy, you have to jump on the rates you have right now, as they're only going to continue to go up. Now this may seem scary, but you have to take advantage of the market you have, not the market you dream or wish you had, if you want to get real estate success. And now, how do you secure that real estate success? Easy, by working with the best real estate professionals that you can find. If you're looking to buy or sell and want a team with your best interests and the most experience at heart, talk to us at the Best Sacs Homes Group. We've been #1 in Sacramento year over year over year, and the #1 team in the state in 2021 and #2 in 2022. You could say that we know what we're doing. We also know that buying or selling for the first time can be intimidating and overwhelming. That's why we put huge emphasis on marketing, as well as tools and resources to make sure that our team of agents is always here to give you the best possible service. So whether it's your first time transacting or your 100th time you're transacting, we're here to make the process easier, quicker, and smoother so that you can focus on what matters, making the right decision for yourself and your family. So don't wait any longer. If you're considering making a move in the real estate market, now is the time to act with the right team by your side. Navigate this difficult market with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, Sacramento, and we'll see you in the next market update.